Are you happy here with me? Yet. What is it? If only I could see my father again. Just for a moment, I miss him so much. There is a way. This mirror will show you anything you wish to see. I'd like to see my father, please. Papa, oh no, he's sick. He may be dying, and he's so alone. Then you must go to him. What do you say? I release you. You're no longer my prisoner. You mean I'm free? Yes. Thank you. Hold on, Papa. I'm on my way. Take it with you. You know what, have a way to look back and remember me. Thank you for understanding how much he needs me.